Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to talk about wrenches. Alright, so here's how I have them organized in my cabinet, and I use a metal wrench holder, and this one's a Power Fist, and I got this from Princess Auto, and you can look them up online, princessauto.com. Alright, so let's talk about the wrenches here. So they've got a 15-degree offset box head, and they've got a 12-point offset box end, and they're made out of alloy steel, and they've got a polished chrome finish. So this set that I have is a 32-piece set. So there's 16 metric from 5 millimeters to 24 millimeters. There's 16 imperial from 1/2 inch to 1/1/8 inch. They're a longer set, longer than standard. So here's the comparison between the two. We have a standard wrench, and then the longer wrench, and then the difference in the finish. You can see this has got kind of a textured finish, and then the bottom one has a polished chrome finish. So right now, it's before Christmas, so we've got the big Red Thursday sale and Black Friday sale. That's what's going on right now. Now, right now, this set isn't on sale, but the gear wrenches are on sale. And these will go on sale again, so you don't have to pay full price for these. Look for them throughout the year, save your Canadian Tire money, and look for your 50% off to 70% off sales. They have great sales there all the time. You just have to be patient. And if you can afford the bigger set, buy the bigger set. Are the longer wrenches worth it? Yes, they're worth it, but they're not necessary. Like, you don't need it. You can put a pipe on the end of it, or you can use a hammer and beat on them. It doesn't matter. They're durable as hell. And if you can't afford like a 30-piece set or a 32-piece, whatever you find on sale, this is an 18-piece set. I've had this, and they're not the maximum. This is before they came out with the maximum. And I've had these for almost 40 years, this set, right? And they're great. They really are good. And I beat the hell out of them. I've used them. I've fixed so many things with those. That and an old Craftsman socket set. So, yeah, look for the sales throughout the year. Everything goes on sale in its time. It cycles through, right? It's not as... If you look at Home Depot, they have two big sales every year. They're Black Friday in the fall and Black Friday in the spring. And the rest of the time they have little tiny sales and some clearances. But Canadian Tire has great sales all the time. And you just have to be patient. Have your list of things that you want. Save your Canadian Tire points. And be ready for when it goes on sale. And yeah, if you aren't in Canada and you don't have a Canadian Tire near you, you can also shop online at canadiantire.ca, obviously. And everything's listed there. In closing, basically, they're really good wrenches. I've used these ones for the last couple of years. I've used my other set for almost 40. And, you know, they're great tools. And if you've got a lifetime guarantee, you just can't beat it, right? And if you do break something, you can take it in, they'll give you a new one. It's an incredible value. So don't be afraid to spend a little bit of money. You're going to have these forever. Like I said, same wrenches, almost 40 years. These ones I've had for a couple, right? I haven't broken any of them. So anyway, thanks for watching.